Hi guys, today we are going to solve a problem using Microsoft Power BI. You can solve this problem using the Power Query in Excel or in the Power BI. The issue is actually we have this students master data set. So here is complete list of all the students and here is the detail of all the classes being attended by these students, and here we have the class name and the student ID, and here is the grade. But the real challenge is that if you see here for pranks, you will not find the ID one because he is not attending this class. Similarly, if you go for the running, and you will not find out the ID 4. So we need to figure out which candidates are not attending which class. For example, we need to find out one, and with the planks, the plank is not attending the one, attending the so one is not attending the planks. Similarly, four is not attending the running class, or vice versa, or other, if you are other classes. So for this purpose, we first of all we need to upload this data set in Power BI. We have already done this activity, and we have data sets for classes and the students. So the solution we need to use is actually using the merge query and the join. But the real challenge is if you use the join function. Let's suppose, let me create a merge query as new. Okay, and students, and here the classes. Okay, the real challenge is if we select here the student ID, and for this field student ID in the classes table. If we opt for the left outer, we will find the student name from this table and the students which are available in this table. But we cannot actually group actually for student ID and class name. Similarly, student ID, the class name, to create a unique combo of these two, and then we will ultimately able to find out which students are not attending the which class. So for this purpose, we need to create a different column, different tables, helper tables, to apply. First of all, we will apply the cross joins, and then we will be able to figure out the student. So if I say we need another table here, column here, with the list of class names. Okay, so one with public instruction, one for the actions, one for pranks. So in this way, then we will be able to figure out the students with classes not attending. Okay, so for this purpose, create a duplicate or reference table classes, and find the unique class names only. So we will remove the duplicates, remove rows, and remove duplicate. Okay, class name. Now remove these two columns. Okay, remove columns, add a custom column with the value 1. So click here on the add column, custom column. Okay, custom, don't rename it, custom is fine. Enter 1. Okay, and go to the students table. Okay, okay, since these are already unique IDs, so we don't need to create another table. Click here, add column, custom column. Okay, and okay, since we have already done this custom here, edit custom 1. Okay, rename this classes to unique class name. Okay, now click here on the class name, home tab, merge queries as new. Click here for the students, custom, custom. Okay, and full outer. Okay, okay, expand this students, uncheck this custom, also uncheck this use original column. Okay, and here we have the complete data set with the class name. Okay, remove this custom column. Okay, and here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. These are the 6 students, and for public interaction, similarly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for the planks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for the running. Okay, although we have this students table here, so I think we do not need these extra columns. We can uncheck at the time of expanding it, or we can remove it now. Let's remove it now, remove columns. Okay, and this is called cross join. Okay, this the cross join. Now we have this classes table. Okay, and this is cross join. Now create a merge queries as new, merge queries as new. Okay, class join, and here we will have the classes table. Okay, click here from students id and the class name, and now click here first on the student id, then on the class name. Okay, and find out left empty means the rows which are only available in this table but not in this table, and click here ok. Expand it. Okay. So now if you see, I don't think so that we need to expand it, cross it. Here you can see one is not attending the plank. If we go to the Excel, and here you can see the one is not attending the planks. Similarly, if we see for the three is not attending the planks. Okay. Yes, you can see here three is not attending the planks. If we see here for running, yes, 4 is not attending. For acting, 2, 3, 4 are not attending the acting classes. If we go to the acting class, here this you can see 2, 3, 4 are not attending. Okay, perfectly. So this solution is working fine. We can remove this classes table. We do not need to expand it. Okay, and this is our solution, and we can actually create another join to find their name and other things, etc. Thank you.